Lads and lassies, we're back over here with Judge Shackelford, and she mad, even more so than usual. She is not happy with this little down that way. This little lad down here in the corner here. This gets really, really heated, really, really fast. And after that, we have a bonus young Karen. Looks like a lot of fun. So let's check this out.
Your Honor, these allegations are false. The victim has came forward and said that she lied. Your Honor,
all right, I'll
she
see
is
Mr.
my
Fitz
fiance.
Here by 3 o'clock today.
She is my
Who's that
fiance,
with you, Mr.
Your
Fitz?
Honor.
Who's that with you, Mr. Fitz?
This is
who's over to the side of your camera. Who's
Jasmine, my wife, my soon-to-be wife, Your Honor. That's why I needed to talk.
I said what I said. You're to be in this court in person for your arraignment by 3:30 this afternoon. And your attorney can appear via Zoom. Call your lawyer. I'll see you by 3:30.
Good morning to you and your staff. Jonathan Jones, 52920, appearing on behalf of with Mr. Phipps. Thank you for letting us do this remotely. Obviously, we consent. To the arraignment, Your Honor, I'm going to acknowledge receipt of the general, waive his formal reading, and send a mute.
All right, I'm a little concerned about these allegations and the fact that Mr. Phipps doesn't, I mean, he's not in custody, but he's going to have some significant bond conditions.
Excuse me.
Michael, be quiet, please. Judge, if I may, I understand where you're coming from, but I want you to know as an officer of the court that the complainant has reached out to me independently. I'm going to leave it at that. He has not had any contact with her. He will not have any contact with her. I want the record to reflect that the court scheduled this. We're grateful. We're here. He's absolutely not a flight risk, and the condition.
So just remember what he said. Like he said that he will absolutely not have contact with this lady. Let's see if that's true.
He will not have any contact with her. I want the record to reflect that the court scheduled this. We're grateful. We're here. He's absolutely not a flight risk, and the conditions of no contact have been respected and will remain in that manner.
Jonathan.
Yeah.
Michael,
No,
please
I mean,
do not speak.
Mr. Phipps, listen, you're having an attorney. If you want to say something to the court, you're free to do so, but you have a right to remain silent. You have a right to have counsel. So is there something you need to say?
Yes, there is something. Yes,
Okay,
there is something that I need to say.
Good, tell me.
Well, I would like to talk to my attorney real quick because evidently he's not aware of anything.
Oh, he's not aware of anything. Oof. All right, you know what? You need to be here in person today. You have until the end of the day.
Your Honor.
Judge, I can't.
Need you in person at the 23rd District Court in person by the end of the day. I can put you two in a breakout room. You're coming in person. I'll see you in a little while.
Judge, I cannot be there in person. I'm scheduled
Your
for
Honor.
1 o'clock, and today is the Jewish holiday. I cannot be there in person.
Why can't
Well,
you
your
come?
client can.
Well, that's fine, Your Honor, but I'm not going to be able to be here with him. I'd like to get him arraigned now. He and I can speak.
No, I want him here. He is charged with a home invasion first degree.
Your Honor, can I speak,
He is
please?
charged with a home invasion first degree. He is charged with.
Your Honor, can I please speak?
I'm not. Do you hear me talking?
Yes,
he is charged with a 20-year felony. He is charged with assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. He is charged with domestic violence. He is charged as a 4th habitual offender. He has multiple prior assaultive convictions. I want him here in person. I said what I said. I said what I said. Make it happen.
Your Honor, can I speak, please?
You have until 3:30 to turn yourself into the court.
Your Honor, can I please speak, please? Please say something, please.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, these allegations are false. The victim has came forward and said that she lied. Your Honor,
all right, I'll
she
see
is
Mr.
my
Fitz
fiance.
Here by 3 o'clock today.
She is my fiance, Your Honor.
Who's that with you, Mr. Phipps?
This is
who's over to the side of your camera? Who's
Jasmine, my wife, my soon-to-be wife, Your Honor. That's why I needed to talk.
I said what I said. You're to be in this court in person for your arraignment by 3:30 this afternoon.
He keeps moving
And your
around.
attorney can appear via Zoom. Call your lawyer. I'll see you by 3:30. Oh, Mr. Verdude, you're here to cause some trouble, I see. This is 250941, the People versus Jessica Glask, Jazerski. All right, go ahead, counsel.
James Gazicki on behalf of Mr. Jazerski. I just received a file today, and she's gone over her rights. There's no question regarding her rights, but we're requesting a hearing in this matter. I'm asking the court for an adjournment so I can review the file and be brought up to date in this matter.
All right, well, where you should start is you should ask Ms. Wagaman to play you the audio of a call that was submitted to her where Ms. Wagaman contacted the defendant about not having any contact yet again with the complaining witness. And she hung up with him and then immediately called the complaining witness and had a phone call based on her call with Aaron. That might be a good, I'll adjourn it, Mr. Gizicki. I'm just telling you that might, you don't have to go into it too much. You could just listen to that call. She has a no contact order. How many times do I have to tell you that? How many times?
I understand you.
No, you don't understand. Because no, and what did I tell you? What did I tell you when he calls you? What did I say?
Did he not?
And what'd you do? Instead, talk. You are not supposed to be talking to him by my court order. And this is the second time I've seen you. And the last time I said, this is ridiculous. Don't cry now. Last time I said, this is ridiculous because he's contacting her and these two are going back and forth. And then I counseled you and said, do not respond to him. If you respond to him, I'm going to put you in jail. There's no contact. And you can't listen. I mean, you can't. And Mr. Verdude, don't think you're cute because I'll see you next week on a violation. Am I seeing him this week?
I don't know, man. I think he looks pretty cute. Look at little meth mouth. He looks so cute. Poor little.
No, he'll be here next week.
He'll be here next week. You two are toxic. And this is what's irritating me. You're wasting time on the criminal justice system's time on whatever you two have going on between you. You're wasting the time of the courts. You're using the criminal justice system. Mr. Verdude, I'm looking at you. You're using the criminal justice system to deal with your two little petty problems. That's what you're doing. And I'm tired of it. And what's becoming clear to me is that maybe probation's not suitable for either of you on your cases. And maybe it'd be best if you just do your jail time and we get this over with, because I am not going to play this game. I'm not going to ask Ms. Wagaman to play this game for much longer. This is it. So we'll set it for a hearing. Mr. Verdude, I assume you'll be recording when she calls you after this hearing. Make sure that Ms. Wagaman gets that, because if you call him in between now and your hearing, you have any contact with him whatsoever, I want to be clear. I am revoking your probation and I am locking you up for 90 days. One time. Do you understand me?
I understand.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
One time. If she gets one thing that is from right now at this moment, at what time is it? 3:57, Monday, September 22nd to next week when we have your hearing, bring your toothbrush and wear a sports bra because you're going to jail. Got it?
Got it.
Well, that got fiery really quickly. So I've got another one for you here. It's a young Karen, and she gets a little bit cheeky with the wrong judge, another really tough lady judge, Judge Raquel West. I haven't seen this one before. Somebody told me about this one. I was like, all right, okay, let's check this out. I've been kind of out of the loop a bit.
Worse, so you probably need to fix your attitude real quick, because having a bad attitude with me does nothing good for you.
I believe. Let's see.
Good morning, you're Gracie Cassidy,
Yes, ma'am.
And Miss Cassidy was previously in court and entered a plea of guilty in cause number 24 DCCR 1480 to the third-degree felony offense of unlawful carrying a weapon in prohibited place. I've received the pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
State has to.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are there any additions or corrections?
Your Honor, the only, fact I would like to say is she's now living in Georgia and it'll be transferred to Georgia for supervision.
Just make sure when you talk to probation, they'll get that all taken care of. The biggest thing about your probation being transferred is it kind of means you have double duty. So you will be reporting in person where you live, but you're still technically on this probation here in Texas. So it's not like the whole. Well, no, there's one fee, but you will have to report either by mail or online here as well each month. So you're going to go in person there, and you also have to report here. So you can't forget to do that mail-in or the online reporting here, because that would be a violation. It's just a lot of people they think they're doing everything right because they're reporting in person over there, but you have to stay in touch with us as well. All right.
Judge, real quick, I apologize. There is one thing I spoke to Mr. Macon about this previously.
Oh, that's right.
It seems to be maybe a new charge in Georgia. I don't know the circumstances of this, nor do I recognize the charge.
Yeah.
And it's equivalent with us.
Hang on, ma'am.
So that's the only thing that's new that I wasn't aware of, and I spoke to Mr. Macon about before, and he was gonna find out.
Okay, so whatever you have to take care of, obviously in Georgia with regard
I
to.
don't have anything to take care of. That was like what they were holding me on in Georgia.
That's the case, Judge, but
Like I got in a car
I-
accident, they arrested me because I had a warrant here.
I got you. Okay. All right.
But I believe they dealt with that. Well,
Okay.
there was nothing to deal with. I just like had to find out.
That's where you got arrested and then they transferred you here?
I didn't get transferred. I just had to sit in jail for 44 days
Okay.
to find out.
Okay. Got it.
That's
Okay.
sufficient mistake.
All right.
I just didn't know.
Okay, Ms. Cassidy, I'm going to find that you previously entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient
I have a question.
Yes.
This packet, it said like I had to do like 300 hours like community
Mm-hmm.
service.
She'll explain all that to you at probation.
Yeah, that's what happens when you're on felony probation. It's required. If you talk to your probation officer, if you're doing everything right, sometimes they waive part of those. Sometimes they don't. It depends on how you're doing. Do you understand? This could be a lot worse, so you probably need to fix your attitude real quick. Because having a bad attitude with me does nothing good for you. Okay. So I'm going to find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, I'm going to follow your agreement and defer all proceedings and place you on probation for 4 years. You're ordered to pay a $500 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. If you do that, this is an excellent opportunity because you do not have a felony conviction on your record. And if you successfully complete the probation, at the end, the case is actually dismissed. You will never have a felony conviction. The other side of that, though, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court, you could be found guilty and sent to prison for anywhere between 2 and 10 years. Do you understand? Okay. One thing is on these types of probation, if you do everything you're supposed to, I sign early terminations from probation all the time. But it means you have to get it all taken care of early and up front. So take care of everything, and then there's the possibility of getting off early. I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. You need to have a seat here in the courtroom. Probation's going to call you up to her desk when she's ready to go over your paperwork.
That wasn't
Right?
so bad. I mean, that could have been way worse. I thought she was gonna like throw a tantrum or whatever. I figured I wouldn't watch it until I was recording this so that I'd, be a legit live reaction to it. But that wasn't so bad. I mean, clearly a young lady that's never, been told what to do before. But yeah, that could have been way worse. Anyway, lads and lassies, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure and like that like button. Yeah, why not? I mean, you can like it too, but definitely do hit that like button and leave a comment down below, and we'll catch you in the next one. Sancha.